this Singju here in Dehradoon.
नेचर का बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब क्रेज़ रहा है.
Indeed, my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this wonderful evening of the Rajpur National Festival, a celebration of art, culture and community spirit.
From Rajpur यहाँ पे students. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is the entry, guys. So this is the entry, guys. Once you enter here. Wow.
Hi, today we are here with our kids to the exhibition. There's a nature festival in MDD Park in Rajpur, Dehradoon, Uttarakhand, and we're very excited to take our students, or we like to help to show them the exhibition and introduce them to the different culture and tradition. Thank you.
Most welcome. Pictures now? Video ya pictures?
Hello guys, welcome to Nature Festival Rajpur, Dehradoon. So they celebrate this festival every year in the month of October. And being as a Northeastern, this is my first time attending this nature festival, and I am super glad and honored to be here. And thank you so much, my friend Shobit Garg, for the invitation. I would love to join and participate this event every year. And guys, here you will see so many stalls and so many, food stalls you will see here, and you will see a lot of varieties of performances like dancing, singing, drums, bands, so on. And also there are so many talented young stars, struggling singers, dancers, they're gonna perform, and I can't wait to see them. And here you will see so many varieties of food stalls like for ornament.
So guys, today we are selling this Singju here in Dehradun stall. This is Manipuri Singju, and this is cake baked by Tony Sir. And hello, and this is also cake, and this is, I don't know, this is pasta. This is Upia, and we have here kebab, blue lagoon. We have a chow mein here. Hi Sahil, hi chef. Let's try this. I'm gonna try. This is. This is pancake.
No, this is cheesecake.
Wonderful. I like it.
Megna?
Very nice. Megna में taste कर लो.
I have it.
Fusion flavor, chicken cheese balls. Here, I think we can take pictures here. Wow.
एंड बचपन से ही मेरे को गाने का, एक्टिंग का, वाइल्ड लाइफ का, नेचर का बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब क्रेज़ रहा है. और बचपन से पापा के गाने सुन सुन के ना, वो मेरे को मोहम्मद रफ़ी साहब और किशोर साहब के गाने कुछ याद हो गए हैं. और कुछ टाइम बाद मैंने फिर क्लासिकल भी सीखा है, और इतना ज़्यादा नहीं सीखा है बट गा लेता हूँ. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा. कुछ पुराने गाने गाऊंगा और कुछ नए गाने गाऊंगा. तो शुरू करता हूँ क्योंकि समय बहुत कम है. गाने थोड़े ज़्यादा हैं, अब जितने भी हो पाएंगे. लेट्स सी. हवाओं पे लिख दो हवाओं के नाम, हम अनजान परदेसियों का सलाम.
Let's try Nubim. Hello. Let's try coffee.
Yeah. Would you like with milk?
Introduce your coffee. Which coffee is this?
Yeah, that's Three Corações coffee.
Okay, extra for tasty. Wow. So her husband is making a coffee. You can see the process of
This
making
is
coffee.
traditional way.
Yeah.
You know, where is the fun?
And here, our talented Dehradun students partake, representing dance, katha, classical dance. I don't know what do we call this. So look at them. They're so beautiful, right? Look at their expression. I think they're not more than 10 years. It could be 11, 10, 12 the maximum. Um, I really enjoy watching them. Here are the senior students performing basic dance, Indian dance. Hey Diwali, hey Diwali, Nastakan, hey Diwali. And we have another performance from another student, and I'm gonna show you guys. There it goes. Dolo, 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 lete, dolo, de. I don't know the song, and I cannot put the music due to the copyright.
All that I can say. More than I can say. We like to go, we always go, come and do visit us at MDA Park. We're selling pasta, cake, pancake, Wai-Wai chutney, Manipuri style, and there is our order. Thank you so much from Ruby ma'am.
कल मैं मंदिर से इसलिए तो दिन आ रही हूँ सबको जवाब दिलाऊंगी ना पास
Ah